Hello and welcome back to the Link Technologies YouTube channel. Today, we're taking a look at the MikroTik LtAP Mini 4G kit, a compact, weatherproof wireless access point built for reliable LTE connectivity anywhere you go. The LtAP Mini 4G kit includes a built-in cellular modem that supports multiple LTE bands, giving you strong, stable coverage in both urban and remote areas. You can connect through its 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, or use the Ethernet LAN port for wired devices. There's also an RS-232 serial port for debugging integration or custom automation applications. It features 2 SIM slots, so you can easily switch between providers for the best signal, and built-in GPS support for vehicle tracking. Pair it with an external GPS antenna, and you can monitor location in real time, making it ideal for fleet management, logistics, and remote asset monitoring. Powering is flexible with options for PoE-in, DC jack, or micro USB, and the FL connectors let you attach external LTE antennas for stronger signal in tough coverage areas. With an IP54 rated enclosure, passive cooling, and efficient 9-watt power draw, it's built to handle demanding conditions while keeping your connection stable and secure. If you need dependable LTE and Wi-Fi connectivity on the move, the MikroTik LtAP Mini 4G kit is a small, rugged device that delivers big performance. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.